why you should consider buying timeshare for cash. If you're in the market for a timeshare or you're part of a group looking to invest, you've probably come across more offers to weird deals than you care to remember. Consider for a moment that many sales brokers work on commission only, and it is in their interest to make the sale at almost any cost, regardless of what you may tell them. Of course, when you realize that this is what more and more people are doing in everyday life, this doesn't seem that strange. I've seen people pay for purchases spread over 3 to 4 credit cards. So that being said, why would you consider buying timeshare for cash instead of going with a myriad of options, which seems to grow every day, that you may be offered? Well, consider that should you decide to pay by check, you have to ensure that the funds for the transaction are in the account attached to it. And considering that checks can take from 7 to 10 days to clear, it will be something that is always on your mind. That, and should the check no clear, you'll be charged for the transaction as well as the associated fees. Though this seems like common sense, it is easy to forget. Another option that is popular is to pay by credit card. Here too, it may seem like a good idea. After all, you can buy the timeshare now and worry about paying off the balance later, right? Well, consider what happens when you don't pay off the full balance, interest charges, and even if you pay your minimum, that still doesn't touch the principal balance, and you'll get charged again. Once started, it is a cycle that is very difficult to break. Naturally, you may get the offer of to pay a monthly fee, but here again, there are interest charges to consider, and not just the card either. And should you miss a payment or two, not only with your credit card company come after you, so will the developer. And once you're behind, it can be extremely hard to catch up. That said, although buying timeshares for cash may seem an extreme method, consider the benefit of doing so. Once you've paid, you have your timeshare, no questions. Other than a maintenance fee, you've got what you wanted. You won't need to worry about paying off a credit card at the end of the month or that a check will bounce. Another argument for buying timeshare for cash is that it is a one-time payment with no interest charges. Of course, you want to ensure that you're not going to struggle to pay your bills once you do this. But this is a much simpler method of securing your timeshare. Buying timeshare for cash may seem scary at first, but when you consider the other options you may be presented with, you might find it to be the simplest, most cost-effective, and direct method for you. And you may also find that you'll have more peace in mind knowing that the transaction is done. Brought to you by www.webuytimeshares.org.